Hi everyone, this is Tina and
Hi, Kathy here.
nice to see you again
Yes, here we go again.
with a new 3D printer, CR-10 Smart.
And this one, and this one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so anyone can hear us? Or how about our voice?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
Wow.
Oh wow. I think we have a lag in here. Like we
Yeah.
couldn't see your comments
Good
previously,
morning.
and then all of a sudden, like all the comments come out.
Hi, Mr.
Yes.
Great looking prints.
Yes.
Greetings loud and clear. Yeah. Audio and video are okay.
Cool.
Yes, you are coming through loud and clear. Hello, hello.
Hello, guys. Nice to see you guys again.
Yeah, and I think it's evening for most most of years. I guess in United States.
Yes.
Can you show the new printer close up? Of course. So let me check the new. Yeah, here it is. My brain is lagging.
Yeah. 21:35 here. Right time.
Time.
Yes, that's a good time to watch the live stream, I think.
Yeah, loving the size of the CR-10 Smart. So, what's the size of CR-10 Smart? Larry, Larry said.
Yes. So here's the question for you guys.
For Larry's Stewart,
Definitely.
very nice, thank you.
So as you can see here, we are printing a large size pantry boat on the CR-10 Smart.
Looks slick. Yeah,
And we saw,
it's 300 plus 300 plus 400. Nice.
yes.
Okay, 1035 here have to be up in 5. What's the differences between CR-10S Pro V2 and this new model? Okay, we will talk later.
Yeah, we will go over that. So today we are here, and as you can see, our background changed. So we are coming to another studio and inviting the development uh, teams come over here with us, and we will like give you more expert or professional answers. So we'll come to ask like harsh questions and throw some harsh questions towards us. Today um, we are going to ask the development team directly and hopefully answer all of your questions. So
Okay.
how long will it take?
Yeah.
The printing? Let me check. So we just started, and then 4 hours. So probably it's gonna take another 4 hours. We just started. It's like 1 or 2% of the process.
Okay. That's huge.
Yes.
So
We scaled it up.
show them the models.
The
The models here. You can show
Oh.
them.
Yes. So as you guys can see, those are all the models that printed by Creality 3D printer. And the rocket. And then we have little cute crew right here.
Cool.
Yes. And with the rocket together, going to fly to the sky.
Oh, are you printing using Creality Clouds?
Yes, that was what I planned it to do, but so we has a little bit like process still need to work out right now. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys to printing through the Creality Cloud since they are like I just get the news that they are doing another upgrade. So the beta version of the Creality Cloud app that I used last time may not work currently. So I probably need to say sorry. I'm not going
It's
to show you
okay.
again today.
Okay, Cassie.
Yes.
So as for the CR-10 Smart, how about show them how to auto level? I think most of people are very curious about it. About this printer?
Yes. Yes, we can definitely show, but we will answer some question here. So Ricky asks, does this still have an adjustment knob under the bed to level the bed? So on this CR-10 Smart, it doesn't. You could go closer to
Okay.
the view under here. So theoretically, when the machine comes out, the bed is like it should be as even as possible, and then we have like the sensor with it, the auto bed leveling sensor with it, so it will auto level by itself. So because of this type of design, we don't have the knob under the bed anymore to adjust the bed leveling stuff.
Okay.
So that's a good news for beginners. We don't need to, if we get this machine, we don't need to adjust it by hand anymore. So it will be really easy. We just need to, let me restart and show you guys the process.
Fancy camera, great improvement. Thank you. Okay. I take it this is a 10 with all the features of the CR6SE implemented with an active Wi-Fi connection. No, actually, we improve a lot. We restart the CR-10 Smart.
Yes, and then since we already have the auto bed leveling sensor here, and by default the bed should be fairly even. So we just need to go to the. Wait, let me adjust the language for the first. Oh, by the way, it has 9 language here, and I'm going to use English. So because that's the only language I know.
And Chinese.
Oh yeah. Besides Chinese, English is the only language that I know. And then if we go to leveling, and you can see like the option here is really simple. Like if you buy our other like Ender series machine and they don't have auto bed leveling system, you can tell like the adjustment process is kind of tricky. But since this machine has the auto bed leveling sensor, so there are only like 2 simple options. You just go to click auto leveling and it will go automatically. And it will heat up the nozzle first and then do the bed auto leveling. Oh, okay. Maybe I should also put up the bed.
So many questions here. Does this printer have bare touch for leveling?
Okay, let me. This printer doesn't have the BL touch, but I will ask our development team. 就是他们这个不是 BL touch，但是他们用的是什么样的 sensor？
Let me show you how it's auto leveling. It's okay. I'm showing that it's auto leveling now.
Oh, so instead of using the BL touch, you use the pressure sensor. So basically, the nozzle will knock the bed and then provide the feedback back into the circuit board, and then tells you um, to adjust the height of the nozzle to be leveled with the print bed.
Yeah, Larry said it uses induction leveling, I believe.
Yes.
Yes. Is this a giveaway? So more people watch our live stream. We will have more giveaway today.
Yes.
So it's a sensor type or BR touch?
It's a sensor type.
Sensor
It's not
type.
BL touch.
Yeah, it's sensor type. So yeah, and sensor between the hot end mount and the hot end.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, looks great. What size power supply does it use?
所以它的那个电源的功率是多少？350瓦。伏240的500。OK，350瓦。So the power is 350 watts for the power supply, and then you don't have to adjust like the voltage anymore. It will customize by itself to be compatible with the power voltage that you use in your house.
Does that mean that this will always be level perfect? I'm worried if the sensor fails to level, we will have trouble to fix since fully automatic machine.
I mean, if the sensor fails, then we'll probably need to get a replacement to make everything works. If that's really happened. But the bat is even though we said the bat is really even, but there's always a little tiny like unevenness there, maybe like 0.00 something. But when we do the printing, it will affect the quality. So that's the reason why we adding the sensor here. So if we break the sensor, I probably need to say that we need to change the sensor in order to make the whole system to work.
Most common issues this size printer has.
Z-sequence accesses issues, and this being fixed on
And
this
the
new
new
model.
model.
Yes, as you can see here, in order to make everything, the Z-axis move better on the top of the. Yes. 你可以或者说这个上面。I can't show you guys currently, but on the back side,
We have belts.
this gantry, we have the belts that synchronize for the two z-axis motor to make sure it's like it moves simultaneously with each other. So which makes the print quality more better and stabler, and as well as, and also we add another like diagonal Z bar here just to add a triangle shape to this machine to and make everything work better to provide better quality and increase the successful rate of the printing.
Oh, so nice! There's Arabic language. Yeah, we have 9 language here. What it claims to be fully automatic. So I think Chris is asking the question about the last one. I thought it.
Fully
Yeah.
automatic
It should be the 10 Smart comes with 2 huge
blades
dies
for the
on
z-axis.
Yeah.
Yes, the diagonal one.
I have only ran the auto level once in the last 2 months. It seems to hold the mesh because the bed is fixed.
And stationary. Yes, so once it's leveled, usually we don't need to worry about it
Yeah.
so much.
Is that a full size SD card rather than the micro? It's full
Yes.
size. If we can
So-
choose it. Is that here?
Yes.
Wait a minute. I'm changing the camera.
或者说你可以放到这个下面，
但是它可以继续打吗？
你就可以放这个就可以。So we use the full size SD card.
Natural Bro looks like no more paper printer plug and play.
Yes.
This machine is like the media size between CR6SE and CR6SE Max. So how about ask our product manager?
它的尺寸是在 CR6SE 和 CR6SE Max 之间吗？Yes, so the size here is 300 times 300 times 400. So it's the medium size.
Yeah,
among these three.
that's more smart.
Yes.
What
So
is
what's
the
the maximum
maximum
printing
printing
speed
speed for PLA?
Usually it's 80 to 100 millimeter per second.
Wow, and how much are spare nozzles? We haven't had it yet.
Yeah.
Okay. 2209 drivers with no end stops. Ask it.
2209驱动，然后没有
限位开关。
纤维。
Yeah, we have end stops.
Yes, so we still use the end stop for each axis. And if I understand your question correctly, for Z and Y axis, we have the physical limit switch, but for the Z axis, we use the electrical one.
What is the max speed?
So it claims to be 100 millimeters per second.
1 million
Bazillion
dollars.
So what's the price? What's the price of this printer?
Yeah, I don't know the bazillion.
So Tina, do you know how much does this printer cost?
Yeah, it's $499, and I will show you the link, the details. and more information about CR-10 Smart.
Oh, maybe we can.
Yeah. Okay. We are switching the camera.
Hi, Freddie.
Here. Yes.
Okay.
What do you get in the box? CR-10 Smart.
Yes, so you will get a CR-10 Smart, definitely. Hopefully. Hopefully. And also it comes with the tool that all the tools that's necessary to assembly the printer. And also like other essential papers like warranty card, something like that. Yes.
Here's a link of CR-10 Smart. Yes. Yeah, it costs $499 and we will ship from China on May 20th.
CR-10 还是更像 CR-10
Okay. Yeah. Here, check on our crealityofficial.com about more information. Yeah, and one more question. Is a high-end nozzle style more like the CR-10 V2 or V3, or more like style of CR-10S Pro V2?
What I just asked, and then what I heard is that the nozzle style is more like CR6 SE. So it's more, I think, latest version of the nozzle head. 就是它是最新的那一款热嘴的。
Yeah. The engineer is hiding. Don't be shy. Say
他
hello.
们要你过来打招呼。你有英文名吗？
Wait a minute. I'm changing the camera.
So welcome our engineer.
Yeah.
And 你叫什么名字？我请你。
Unique here. Ask any question you want.
Yes, so since he's here, guys, don't waste the time. Ask all the hash questions, and he will try to answer you.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
We can translate.
Thank you.
因为你在这里，所以我就让他们问一些很刁钻的。
Well, can I get the Creality mascot as TL?
就是那个 Q 吧？哎，不是已经。
Yeah. We will share on the Creality Cloud.
Facebook 上面。
Yeah. Okay. And on Facebook page, stay tuned. After live stream, we will share on the Facebook page. Yes. Hello, ladies. Hi, Luke.
Long time no see.
It's so nice to see you here.
Yes.
Hello. Yes, we love Creality here. Thank you.
Hi, Ricky.
Would changing nozzles and stuff be just as easy as seeing under 3?
Yes. Let me. 就是我们可以开一下这个头。可以。
Wow.
有工具就可以。因为之前我有问，他们说有人问可不可以开这个头。是要现场演示。对，就现在开。现在开看看里面有什么。
Is it okay? Nice.
So now we are going to open the case and see what's inside.
Yeah. I love the high end.
Yes.
Are you live on YouTube or just Facebook? We're live on YouTube, and
Facebook.
YouTube channel name is Creality Official Store, and on Facebook page Ether. Fan cover. Okay.
Okay. So basically,
Hello?
this is what's okay.
The flower is called internet. I'm not sure what's the meaning. Yeah. From
Yes.
what I could see, the Hotend look like direct drive.
No, actually, this is not a direct drive.
It's button.
Yeah, so this is golden, as you can see here, like the long Teflon tube here, and then our filament is hanging on the side of the machine. So this is golden.
With wireless printing, does it need to be connected to Wi-Fi through the whole print, or does it download the slide file before hand-to-hand, say, spotty internet?
So wait, let me look at the question again. With wireless printer, does it need to be connected to Wi-Fi for the whole print? So what we do here is like we have a. Let me show you guys.
好
So we
It's
have
okay. 再远一点。
we have a Creality box, and then we usually just use add device, and we follow the steps to help the printer connect to the Wi-Fi, and then we can just as long as the printer successfully connects to the Wi-Fi, we can just do the remote control by our phone. So we don't have to be with the printer all the time, and we don't have to be using the same Wi-Fi as the printer is using.
Can you demonstrate how you fit the filament?
Yes. Well, yes, of course. So on this CR-10 Smart, we have a. So we have an extruder here.
机器可以动转一下吗？它在动。
Let us move the machine so you guys can see that. Okay, it's better. So here is actually the extruder. So they did the upgrades, so you won't see the the gears anymore. And if you want to feed the filament, there's just like a click here, and then you kind of push it back like this, and then you can just like insert the filament in, and then it's kind of like a buckle, and then you push it back here to lock it into the space, and it will run smoothly by itself. So when we use Ender 3, Ender 3 V2, when we trying to manually feed the filament, sometimes like the filament is hard to get into the holes, get into the position. But like with this new design of the extruder, like we don't need to worry that anymore. Like the buckle is like on the back of this extruder, and you can just like buckle it up. And also we have a filament run out sensor here. So basically we just need to go through the feed the filaments into the sensor, and then going through the extruder.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. If it is like the Hello series, it will store the slides file locally, and will not need the Wi-Fi for the whole print. Okay. 不是
Well, currently I think it's a little bit different.
Yes.
So on this machine, we're using the Creality Cloud app, and so it will automatically send data to this printer. Wait, actually, let me double check with our engineer.
Yes.
他说 WiFi 连接打印的话，它是那个 Hello 系列。
Yeah, is it aluminum or plastic extruder? Okay, it's plastic extruder. I will admit it does look pretty nice and neat behind the hot-end cover. Good job on the zip type. Thank you, Maker's Hub. The camera from the smart key can be connected directly to this machine. Okay, we will check with the engineer. So how about the first question here?
Yes. So what I heard is that it's slightly different from the Hello series. On this machine, we mainly use the Creality Cloud app, and so you will do everything on the app and store the file on the app, send the data automatically to the printer and print.
Nice.
But the good thing is that we don't have to use the same Wi-Fi with like as the printer. So if you leave your printer home and you are on business or something, you can definitely still use the Wi-Fi building functions to print the stuff on this printer, as long as the printer is on.
Yeah. The camera from the smart key can be.
所以就是创想出了一个新的那个摄像头嘛，对吧？
Sorry, but can't find anything on YouTube. Can you share the link, please? Of course, we will.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
So the good news for the camera, for this question is yes. So the smart key camera is also designed for this machine, and you can use this machine connect with. You can use the camera and connect it with the Creality Cloud. So in the future, it will become like a monitor that can helps you to check the printing process remotely. Yes. I mean to view the printing process remotely.
More questions? Wait a minute. The question is an excerpt. I feel like this was a previous discuss and do not think so, but I have a bad memory.
Wait,
I have no idea what I'm talking about.
you're all wrong.
Okay, so it's an aluminum or plastic extruder. It's plastic extruder.
It's a plastic extruder.
Yes, it's plastic extruder. I would love to see Creality become the first company to offer printers with options like when buying a new car, you can pick and choose which options you choose. That's a good idea.
So you think it's like a customized
Yeah, customized
printer.
3D printer,
Yeah.
and I think it's kind of like Subway.
Yes, to choose different flavor. Like, oh, I don't want the pickle, so don't give me the pickle. Can we expect to see the camera package with it one day?
Okay, I think you if you want camera, you may need to buy it.
Oh yes. So currently it's not included in this package. 但它未来会吗？
你不会讲他们。
未来他们会把摄像头跟这个装一起吗？这个一起出售吗？
Okay, got it.
可以选择，对不对？Okay. Okay. So in the future, maybe Creality will provide the customized options that whether you want the camera or not. So you can choose your customized combo.
What's the max temperature for the hot end?
So the max temperature for the hot end is 260 degree Celsius.
Yeah. I love my Simone D1. Great prints, fun to put together and fun to use. My fourth Creality printer, also love my Industry Max. And CR-10 Max, your fifth Creality printer. When will you guys start showing the End 7? I can't wait. Guys, we are okay. And 7, I have no idea. But now CR6, CR-10 Smart, here it is.
Yeah, so we will keep it as a surprise, surprise you guys. Yes. Hi. And let me scroll up and see whether we missed some questions.
Any more questions you want to ask?
Good job on the zip.
Yeah. And how about this printer? We are printing the benchy, right?
Yes. Okay. So it is time to stop including TP heat break tubes. The cost difference is nothing. Even the Bamido can be made for less than. No one will notice. That's cool. And yes, I want the end. Oh, I'm so surprised. Like, how did you guys? I mean,
no, and the 3 and the 7?
Yeah, like I didn't even.
No yet.
Yeah, I didn't even know any information about it yet. And then you guys are asking, hey, is it coming out soon? That was so. Hey guys, if you know
I think
the channel where you get this news from, please tell me. I also want to be one of the first one to know this. Okay. Otherwise, I would be so embarrassed because our users ask me, hey, where is the End 7? And then I was like, is there an End 7?
I didn't even so know bad. That.
I feel so bad.
But I think End 3 and 7, I knew it will release about July, maybe, because our product manager tell the audience on the 7th anniversary event.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, do you think those belt adjuster under the back will fit on my CR-10S Pro V2? 他问这一套的调整这个热床的这一套的底下的这个系统可不可以用在 CR-10 Pro V2 上？不行。Oh, so unfortunately it can't.
Yeah. I have Ender 5 Plus and the Ender 6. Love them both. This printer looks great. I'm going to add this to my collection. Looks awesome. And yeah. Pre-order on crealityradioofficial.com. You will get more information. and share the screen. Yeah. So Cassie, could you please share some information about this printer? It's kind of like the main features.
Yes. So on this CR-10 Smarts, there are 7 main features here. As you can see, the built-in Wi-Fi functions, which means that you can connect this printer by your phone and then like use your phone to control the prints and slice the model and print it. So, for example, if the printer is in your garage and you're like in the living room or something, like now you don't have to go to your garage and print it. But instead, you can just like take out your phone and then click the apps and hit print, and that's it. So the second smart main features here is a little bit more intelligence. So as you can see here, wait, 它那个简介页是去哪？
刷新一下 refresh the page.
Okay. This time, Creality used their self-developed 32-bit motherboard with a silence drive. So it adds more features such as the automatic sleep motion to help people save power after the print. And the third one is the ultra silence design. Yes, that's what I just said. The mute fan design. So this machine is much quieter than I would say in the series because that's the most common machine I'm using.
Got it. Intelligent auto labeling.
Yes, so the intelligent auto leveling is the same as the CR-6 SE with the same technology and design. So we don't have the 4 adjustment wheel underneath the print bed anymore. We just and we don't need to adjust the bed. We just like need to click the auto leveling functions on the screen, and it will automatically level by itself. Oh, by the way, but we still need to adjust the Z offset to make sure like the distance between the nozzle and the bed are really proper and correct. So that's what I was trying to say here. And then the screen protection and auto shutdown. It has 2 upgrades. I mean, too many upgrades here. 可以调一下镜头。
Okay.
这个
Yes, and yeah.
我想让他们看到这里。
Publish.
So
Wait a minute.
yeah, let us adjust the camera view to show you. Yeah, we have a power switch here, and we also have the regular power switch on the back. So this time, we don't have to adjust like always to turn off the power on the back of the machine. We can just like on the screen, we can just, there's an option called one click shutdown, and we can just click one click shutdown and you will like turn off the power. And if we want to restart the power, we just need to like press this second power button here to turn on the machine. So it's also kind of a safety, like a safety button here. So this time we need to, if we are new users and we need to turn on the power on the back and then click the safety power button here to turn on this printer. So it won't be like accidentally turn on the printer and have some issues. Like if you have a keys and then they are like playing around. Maybe sometimes accidentally click something or open the power and heat up the bat. It may be a little bit dangerous, but this time we have kind of have a safety switch here to help you to um, like to better improve the process, like the turning on power process. Yes. Tell us if you guys like this design or not. Yes.
Okay. The last one. Oh, the 6 and 7.
6 steps to assembly, 8 minutes to complete, easy to assemble. So yes.
Yeah, if you watch the live stream of 3D printing nerd, he assembles a printer very quickly.
Well, yeah, he's doing the live stream, so he talks and assembly at the same time. So it looks like it takes 30 minutes, but actually, in fact, if you, as he says, like if just assembly the printer, it will be easy. So like actually the whole bottom part, including the bat, they are fixed, and then the only thing, and then the gantry, the gantry with the whole nozzle systems, they are also assembled, pre-assembled already. So the only thing that we need to do is basically to put the gantries on the bat, on the like the bottom part, and then screw and tighten the screws to make it stable, and also assemble this part. So that's kind of easy.
So very interesting comment.
Yes.
I think you need 7 power switches. 7 power switches.
So use,
are you kidding me?
That's interesting. So use one power switch every day.
Yeah.
Like switching the power.
So how about the Monday power switch, Tuesday power switch?
Like a rainbow.
Yeah, and good morning from South Africa. Good morning.
Oh,
yeah. Okay. Yes.
So is it turned off automatically after finish print? Yes, there's an option here. It says that turn off after printing. If you turn it on, it will like shut down after it print, after the print is finished.
Yeah. Can't wait to receive this one. It sounds quiet enough to put in my bedroom. Yeah.
Yes, I mean, I personally think so as well. If you put it, it's not. Wait，我该怎么说？它不是完全没声音，但是它的声音非常之轻。
Yeah, the noise is very
Yes.
low.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We just
可以问一下，就他们 Z 轴好像做了一个静音驱动，
对
是吗？
So all the motors, they are silence motor this time, and then also the fan, they reduce the
Silent
noise.
Okay.
Yes, as well. So I think this is a pretty quiet 3D printer. I mean, we still can hear a little tiny bit of the fan noise, but I think it's okay.
Yeah. Low noise, not now noise.
Yes,
low
thank you.
noise. Yeah, just talk a lot. It would have take 5 to 10 minutes. He easily distract, but it's understandable. I will be distract me too with 1,200 live views. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Yes.
John did a great job on the live stream about CR-10 Smart. Yeah, and he showed some details which he liked the most, such as the power switch we talked before. The power switch. If you ever watched his live stream, you really like the power switch and the box, the toolbox. You know, the toolbox has a, I don't know how to say that, 磁性.
Oh, the magnet.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I also like the design, like the little detail design here.
Yeah, we
It's
have
not any
the
like rectangular anymore. It takes like it makes it more interesting.
Z belt, Y belt.
Yes.
I have an original industry and I like the motor sounds with some complicated prints. It actually makes some
very
nice music. It seems like you really love 3D printer.
Yes. And it makes me feel like, hey, it works properly and I like the sound. Definitely. So, should we keep continuing?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
这个点一下
okay.
Nice.
So now, if you go to our official store, you can see all the description here. Like today, we are just showing you guys the real thing, and so the picture here actually summarize all the spotlight, and yeah, that's all what I say here. The building Wi-Fi functions, the automatic sleep motion to save the energy, and then the intelligent auto leveling. To make all the process easier, the printing process easier, and then the draw axis, draw diagonal, draw box to make printing more precisely and stable. And also, we have the 4.3-inch full version touchscreen. So I kind of like I like it. This touch screen, like I didn't when I use it, I just like I'm so get used to the touch screen. That's the thing I like.
Yeah, and supercar design. Supercar design is on the cover. Oh, where's the light?
Light.
光呢？可是光，这个机器没有。
可是现在打不开。
它现在打不开吗？那个蓝色的光。
4个都是进去，开的公司。
现在可以开吗？
可以。
Oh, okay.
Nice. I'm show you guys the light. Can you guys see it?
Like,
where it is?
Yeah, we should make the room darker so you guys can see.
Okay. So our room is so light. Okay. Yeah. Is it Jew or is it rod?
Is it Jew Z rod? Yes. So we have 2 Z motors back, and also there's a belt on the top of the gantry. Thanks, Laurie,
Yes.
to make sure these 2 rods run simultaneously.
Yeah. Okay. Time is up.
Oh wow.
Time
Yes.
goes
So
let's wait a minute. Yeah. Thank you guys for your time, support, and patience to watch our live stream.
yes, definitely. So you guys are actually asking a lot of questions today, and being super nice to me to us today. So I personally also, so we did a live stream last time. I also connect some questions, and I think we answered most of the questions already.
Yes. So last question. Are there plans to build LED either into the X-axis or into the high end? Okay, I think it's a great plan to improve the printer.
Yes.
You're always welcome. Thank you. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you next time.
Yeah, keep in touch.